Hi everyone. Can you see these beautiful mountains? These are so beautiful and they are called Himalayas. Do you know where Himalayas are located? Now you should know where it is in the in map pointing. It's an 8 marks question where you need to explore. So let's explore Himalayan mountain ranges. Now these are located in Kashmir and Punjab. Next, Kumaon Himalayas. Next, Nepal, you'll find then Assam Himalayas, then Purvanchal. Okay, so let us see about Indian geography now. We are studying about Himalayas in Indian geography. Now, in map location, let us see where are the different types of mountain ranges. We have Greater Himalayas, all these are Greater Himalayas, Lesser Himalayas, and Shivalik ranges. You can see if you zoom it in your cell phones, you can see Greater Himalayas and Shivalik ranges and Lesser Himalayas. Okay, you will find here these are also Himalayan mountains. Next, how these came into existence. The Great Himalayan Mountain Range formed as a result of tectonic forces driving two continental plates towards each other, the Indian and Eurasian plates. The Himalayan mountains are best known for their immense peaks, such as the towering Mount Everest, which stands at 8,848 meters. In feet, 29,029 feet above sea level and is the highest mountain on earth. Besides Mount Everest, the Himalayas contain many other high peaks, making it the highest mountain range on earth, stretching over 2,900 kilometers along the border between the Tibetan Plateau and India. The Himalayas are evidence of plate tectonics and what happens when two continents collide. Now let us see if Himalayas are not there, what would have happened to India? So Himalayas influences India's climate in various ways. They act as barriers protecting the Great Plain of India from cold winds of Central Asia during severe winter. In the absence of Himalayas, this region would have remained drier. And during winter season, the cold winds will be blowing from China, Tibetan Plateau. So, from Central Asia, when the winds are blowing, if Himalayas were not there, then India would have been frozen and no agriculture and no existence of life. It would have been like Gobi Desert. So, Himalayas, if these Himalayan ranges were not there, then it would have been a cold desert. But praise be to God that He has given us mountains which are protecting us from cold wind. Then Himalayan rivers, they are perennial rivers because the snow which is on them and the glaciers, they melt and they provide water for the rivers even during summer season. That's why they are called perennial. Throughout the year, we find water in this particular place, in these rivers. Whereas South Indian rivers, they are rain fed. You will find water only in rainy season. Okay, so when they are flowing, they bring about silt from mountains, and that is settled in northern plains. So northern plains are very fertile. Here you can see the mountain area, how it is. So terrace farming, they will do terrace farming here like this. They will cut like this, like steps. Why? Because when it rains, if it is very smooth or slanting without any cuts, the rainwater will just go drain into the valleys, and thus it will become infertile. So people will be making like this, and they will do the cultivation here. You can see the cultivated land on the other side. Now see the narrow steep valley of Sikkim. In Sikkim, how these mountain ranges are. So they are very steep and narrow also. So it is very narrow and steep also. Next, Mokdok Valley, Meghalaya. As the name Meghalaya stands, here always you will find the over the land you will find clouds settling here. So mega means cloud, alaya means abode. Always you will find here you will find clouds over this particular land. Now let us see about the Shivalik ranges. Shivalik hills are a mountain range of the outer Himalayas that stretches over about 2,400 kilometers and 1,500 miles. From the Indus River eastwards, close to Brahmaputra, from here, from this region to Brahmaputra. Okay, eastwards, close to Brahmaputra River, spanning the northern parts of the Indian subcontinent. It is 10 to 50 kilometers wide. And that means in miles it is 6.2 to 31.1 miles wide, with an average elevation of 1,500 to 2,000 meters. Then you will find in feet, when we convert it into feet, it is 4,900 feet to 6,600 feet. Between the Teesta and Raidak rivers in Assam is a gap of about 90 kilometers. When we convert into miles, it is 56 miles. Okay.